What's going on, everybody? We're back here on All Things Bearded. My name is Brandon, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you've seen so far and want to hit that subscribe button down below, I am all for that. Today we're talking about Chesapeake Beard and Grooming Company. We're talking about their scent Daybreak. We have this in the oil and butter to go over today. Now that all that stuff's out of the way, you guys, let's go ahead and dive into the review. So let's go ahead and talk about the beard oils, you guys. Now they come in a 1 ounce gloss white bottle with a restrictor cap on top of it. The labeling is clean. It has all the information you're gonna need on it. It has the name of the scent profile is broke down on the label, as well as the carrot oil blend. It's all listed there. The carrot oil blend does consist of jojoba oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, shea nut oil, squalene oil, emu oil, and then your essential oils and fragrance oils. A fill-in beard, you guys. Zero complaints. Felt great in beard. Did everything I wanted beard oil to do. Soften, condition my beard. So no complaints there. It does retail for $17.50. I unfortunately do not have a promo code for this channel, but I have two great friends that have channels with these promo codes for Chesapeake. I'll link them both in the description below. Highly do recommend you check out the codes as well as the channel, because those guys have great content and they're just great guys in general. So there you go. So the scent profile for Daybreak, you guys, is oatmeal, honey, and vanilla. Now when I smell this scent, you guys, I definitely get all of those. I get oatmeal up front. I get the sweet honey and the warm vanilla on the back ends. It smells great. It's a calming, rich, smooth scent for me personally. It's great for the morning times. I really did love this scent. If you're into any of that stuff, oatmeal cookies, I really do think you'll enjoy this scent in particular. It was known as Sunday Morning, so I know it's been changed to Daybreak. So if all that does sound good to you guys, check this scent out. Now I also have the Beard Butter or Beard Butter from Chesapeake. It's got an AH on the end of it, so maybe that's how I'm supposed to say it. Now it retails for $17.98. Comes in a 2 ounce container, you guys. And I know a lot of people are worried about summertime coming. Maybe their beard butter's melting in transit. I don't think you're gonna have a problem with this right here because it's sturdy as a rock in here. Now as far as getting it out of the container, it does take a little bit of work, but once you get it in hand, really emulsifies quick in your hand, you guys, to a liquid form. Felt great in beard. Did a great job of conditioning my beard, so no complaints with it. But you guys, if I'm being completely honest with you, which I try to be, check out Beard Vitality, because this scent is now in Beard Vitality on the website. This is a 2.5 ounce container. It says restoration butter on it for a reason. I do believe that the main ingredient that is drawing me to this more is the kukui nut butter. It feels great in beard, you guys. Anytime I put this stuff in my beard at night before I go to bed, I know in the morning my beard is going to feel amazing. So I highly recommend you check this out. I think it retails for $22.98. Now I did do a review on Peak CBD, which is a sister company of Chesapeake. It's full CBD. I'll link that up above. You can check that out as well. But Beard Vitality, you guys, if you don't want it in this scent and it's in another scent on Chesapeake that you think you're gonna enjoy, pick it up, do yourself a favor. I guarantee you're gonna love it, because this was the game changer for me. And it is probably my favorite butter to date right now. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, stay safe and stay bearded.